In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset your Windows 10 computer without deleting personal files. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, just come back with settings, go ahead and open that up. Go down and select the update and security tile, and then select recovery on the left panel. On the right side where it says reset this PC, if your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them and then reinstalls Windows. To complete the reset, you'll need to be connected to a network and follow the instructions on your PC. Go ahead and select get started. And then at this point, you go ahead and select the keep my file option, which will remove apps and settings, but keeps your personal files. And then you just would follow along with the on-screen prompts here of getting that set up. Please note that unless your files are saved in weird locations, it should save most of your personal files. I still would suggest backing them up regardless, because you never know. But if you have documents in different folders that maybe aren't the more traditional ones, there's a chance that Windows and Microsoft would not have them saved when you reset your system. So just please keep that in mind. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.